Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, girl. Today we have a 5-minute get ready with me. I was going to this event and I said, okay, well, let me go ahead and record this. So I refreshed my crimps in my hair. I crimped my hair maybe 3 days ago and I'm just refreshing it. Also, I'm going to show you guys a little makeup that I did this day as well. And that's going to be the end of the video. Really quick and fast video. I'm in and out your way, you know. So if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not a part of the Get Faith Beauty channel, you need to subscribe. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, beauties.